Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Pan Jam has sold its stake in a local manufacturing and distribution company of spices. I'll tell you a little bit more later.
And Jordan is here to tell us what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, it's a few months away now, but the Reggae Girls will begin their preparation in a busy 2023 calendar year. Of course, the Women's World Cup is later this year, and they'll start with a camp next week. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your concerns about participating in jury duties?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.